So I decided to start a video series that covers my transformation and recovery period as an artist. Earlier this year, I had a traumatic injury where I fell down the stairs in our house and shattered my elbow in my dominant arm, which is like a total nightmare for anybody who uses their body for their job. I also caused some damage to my hips and my shoulder and my back that have mostly recovered, but I do have some nerve damage in my dominant arm. And I'm a little nervous about this because I'm quite a shy person. I don't really like being on camera, but I thought it would be good to share this knowledge that I have accrued from the team of physical and occupational therapists that I worked with. And they are absolutely incredible. There are so many ways that you can include some of these habits and stretching exercises, tools in the studio where you can feel more comfortable, which is always important. I know as artists, we tend to have really bad habits. We don't sleep as much. We might eat really bad. We have anxiety, and we probably don't exercise as much as we should. So I hope that this information helps you if you're going through your own recovery or if you're just curious about the process. Because even though it was a bad experience, it's actually made me come out of all of this much stronger, and I'm really excited about art again. I am being drawn to different colors and textures and even subject matters that I was never really that interested in before. So I don't know if I just hit my head really hard on the way down, but it's been a really amazing process that is continuing every day. So I hope you like it.